Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to discuss a question on Form 4, Chapter 3, Indices and Logarithm. Okay, so I'm going to discuss part A and part B in this particular video. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, the first part of the question in which you are given numbers without any logarithm. So you have 5 to power of 3n plus 1 multiplied by 25 to power of n divide by 125 to the power of n minus 1 equivalent to 5 to power of some power which contains a lot of unknown. Okay, so it doesn't matter, we will do step by step. First thing that you need to remember in order to do this question is the property. Okay, so the property you can see on the screen, okay, in which whenever you have any two base, okay, any two base which are same, and you multiply those two numbers, the powers, you can add them together like this. Okay, so this is your very basic knowledge that you need to have in order to do this question. So likewise, whenever there is a divide, the power should minus. So that is what I'm going to do for this question. For this question, I have 5 to power of 3n plus 1 multiplied by 5 to power of 2 to the power of n. So you might be asking how I got 5 to the power of 2, because I have 25 here. Okay, 25 is actually 5 to the power of 2, so I can write like this, and then the n, the power, I have to put outside like this. Okay, divide by 5 to the power of 3 in bracket n minus 1. Okay, why 5 to the power of 3? Because 125 is actually 5 to the power of 3, and outside got n minus 1, so I have to put it outside. Okay, another property that you need to know for this type of question is any base to the power of m and then got bracket and got another power outside means you can multiply their power. Okay, you can multiply their power. So what I'm going to do here is a very simple task. For this particular term, I just going to copy back 5 to the power of 3n plus 1 and then multiply with, for this particular term, I'm going to multiply both of these numbers, so write as 2n over, at the bottom I'm going to multiply both of these, so it's basically 3 multiply with n minus 1, so it's actually 3 bracket n minus 1, so you'll end up getting 3n minus 3. So you should write here 5 to the power of 3n minus 3. Okay, so that's how you do the first step for this question. Okay, as you continue, now everything is same base. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Everything is same base. So what you can do, you can actually add their powers and minus their powers according to the operation here. Okay, so the first one, 5 to the power of 3n plus 1. Okay, you must add 2n. Why? Because there is a multiplier here, and then got divide, so divide you must minus bracket 3n minus 3. Okay, why bracket? Is because there is a plus minus here, so better use a bracket, otherwise you'll get wrong answer. So finally 5 to the power of 3n plus 2n will become 5n, okay, plus 1, and here when you expand is minus 3n and plus 3, because negative and negative will become positive. Basic information. So 5n minus 3n will become 2n. 1 plus 3 will become 4. So you are end up getting 5 to the power of 2n plus 4. But what is given in question is 5 to the power of hn plus k. So when you compare, the coefficient of n in this case is 2. So here is h. So I can make a conclusion that my h is equivalent to 2, and whatever remaining here is k, and k is equivalent to 4. That should be your answer, as simple as that. So that is the first part of your question, part A. Simple and straightforward. Okay, let's go to part B. So for part B, I'm going to do the same thing, because what I see here is I see numbers like 3, 9 and 27, which everything, if you check, are base 3. Everything can be converted into base 3. So what is going to happen for part 3 is very simple. Okay, let me show the question here one more time. Okay, so basically what you have here is 27, which is 3 to the power of 3, and then 9, which is 3 to the power of 2. So I'm going to substitute. So 27 to the power of x, I'm going to write as 3 to the power of 3, which is the 27, and then outside got x, so I'm going to put x. So it's going to become 3 to power of 3x. Okay, likewise 9 to power of x is actually 3 to power of 2, and then the x I must put outside, so it's actually 3 to power of 2x. Okay, that's how you do replacement. So what happens here, the 27 to power of x you can write as 3 to power of 3x, bracket 3 to power of x minus 1 close bracket is equivalent to 3 to power of 2x. Okay, so as you continue from here, what will happen? Very simple. Okay, when you the process that happening in between them is multiply. So basically it's 3 to power of 3x multiply with 3 to power of x minus 1 is equivalent to 3 to power of 2x. So same base, you can add their power. So 3 to power of 3x plus x minus 1 is equivalent to 3 to power of 2x. Okay, so this one when you simplify is actually 4x minus 1. This one when you simplify is actually 2x only. Cannot further simplify. Cancel, cancel. 4x minus 1 is equivalent to 2x. Therefore, when you rearrange, you'll get 4x minus 2x equivalent to positive 1. Remember guys, when you bring this one, the other side is positive. When you bring this one, the other side is negative. So you get 2x equivalent to 1. Therefore, x equivalent to 1 over 2. As simple as that.